So this is one of those antenna jobs I had to make a video about. I have been here for 2 days trying to figure out how to get these two channels to come in that I figured should be able to come in, but they just wouldn't. And what happened is, I started out with the signal meter using this RCA antenna here, and I got channel 8 to come in, but it wasn't very strong. So I figured, well, probably we'll get channel 8 just fine. And I was almost on the ground with it when it was working. And so I put it up on the peak of the roof here. I figured, that would probably be a good spot for it. In fact, it was recommended by the gentleman I'm working for that I put it on the peak. He's a ham operator, as am I. And so higher is always better, right? Well, not necessarily. Well, it turned out that I had this RCA antenna at the peak of the roof. I even tried putting an amplifier on it. The two channels wouldn't come in. So then I moved the antenna down to here because my signal meter told me it was stronger down here. And voila, I got the two channels. So there you have it. Moving the antenna lower made the two channels come in. And believe it or not, I tried this Yagi. I tried this one with an amplifier on the peak here. Would not work. Bring it over to this corner made it work. Now look at the terrain here. You'll understand a little bit what I'm up against. You can see I got a lot of trees out this way, got a mountain out this way, so there's no way I'm going to pick up the Grants Pass transmitters. But we're going for what they call King Mountain out this way. Anyway, that's it. Just had to make a quick video about that. Another rainy day here in Southern Oregon, so anyway, appreciate you. Thumbs up the video if you like it. If not, give it a thumbs down. I don't care.